Hi everybody, welcome back to part 2 of drawing expressions, and we're going to do some angry expressions today. I find if you make a lot of your characters a little angry, that's a problem that a lot of people need to have solved. They don't really know how to come up with that look that when they're trying to create a project that looks, angry, or a character, and really it is all in the eyes and in the mouth. Okay, but let's just focus mainly on eyes. Maybe a few of them we'll put a mouth on too and give you some ideas. Okay, so I have my marker, got my paper, and let's just get right to it and see what we can come up with here. We'll do some simple ones and we'll go from simple to a little bit more extreme. Okay, I'm going to start over here again. We're going to do a couple of different faces and then we'll see what we can come up with here. I'm going to draw a little line right here, right in the center. And I find if I want to make an angry character, of course the eyebrows slanting down like that usually does it. All right. Then I'm going to make an eye like that. And I'm going to put this kind of down towards the bottom here, the pupil. Okay. And this is our first idea. Okay, we'll do the same here. And you can see he looks mad already. Now this right here is going to be the simplest of most of them that we do. I'm just going to draw a line here and a line here. And we have an angry guy. Now, or woman even, but he definitely looks like a male to me. We'll just give him a little thicker line here for eyebrows. That simple. Okay. Okay, let's draw another one. Again, trying to make that V. We'll come down, we'll go up, okay? And again, we'll give them the same type of eye, only this time maybe a little bit bigger circle here, okay? Give him a pupil, give him another pupil. We'll thicken the eyebrows here a little bit, or at least the lines of that V. They don't actually even have to be eyebrows. Okay, now from here I'm just going to put a bag here. And then over here we'll draw a line like that. And if we want to really make him look a little bit more inquisitive, even though he's angry, we'll give him just a little eyebrow lift there. So that right there could be a whole other angry look. Okay, and we could add extra character lines or whatever. Right, so now we have two angry expressions. Right, now you could start adding noses and things like that once you start doing these. But up here, let's give another example of a different set of eyes. All right, and see if we can make him look angry. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to make a big circular eye. I'm going to put his pupil here, and he's going to kind of be looking kind of upward. Now that doesn't look angry at all at the moment, does it? Draw a line here, and then we'll just draw a line like that. Okay, now underneath that, let's put another line. Now this is all going to be in his eyebrows, this one, so I'm going to make a line like that. From there we're going to make it go up at an angle, and then over. Okay, now this right here will complete the first section of his left eye. Okay, we're going to go over here on the other side, and we're going to draw another line about here. All right, I'm going to slant that just like that. Now we'll put his eyeball starting about here, and we'll come down and attach it to this other eye. So now they're kind of close together. We actually did form like a little V here again. All right, only this one's a little lower. Kind of switches them up a little, and it'll give us a different effect. We're going to put his pupil here, and we'll color that in. Looking a little angry already, okay? Now from there, let's take A little line there, maybe another line there. And you have another set of angry eyes. Right? Now, if we want to start playing with mouths a little bit, again, I like to start mouths when I'm teaching, very simple, like I said. So if I wanted to make him kind of look angry with the mouth, I'll just do something like that, and then I'll give another bottom lip or another line, actually insinuating a lip there, and there we have our third angry face. Okay, so now we have 3 different ideas. Okay, and we can put these again onto anything that we want, whether it be a pumpkin or a piece of cottonwood bark, a walking stick. Right, we're just playing with different ways to make simple expressions. Okay, now you can make them with eyes, with mouths, or not in the beginning here, and we'll cover mouths and everything. I really want to go into this in depth and keep giving you guys ideas, because I'm going to put all of these in one spot. Still trying to figure out where I want to go with that, but I'm definitely going to put them on a board, and we're going to carve each face so we have a reference that we can put in our carving shop, or hang it on the wall in front of you when you're doing carvings. You can always have them refer to, and I think that's a great thing to have, especially when you're looking for reference for different expressions. Okay, so we have 3 different ones here, nice and simple. Let's try one and add a nose. Okay, and you can do different types of noses as well, but again, we're sticking with angry faces today. Okay. All right, so the 4th one we're going to do is we're going to start again. I'm going to come over here, and we're going to start with that line in the center. Okay. What I'm going to do from that line is curve up again, just like we did at the top here. All right. Then we're going to come over here and do the same thing. We're going to make a little hook, curve it up, maybe over a little, give him his eyes. Any kind of eye you want will work here. Okay, now before we do this one, which will probably start about there, okay, is I'm going to come over right to the top here. I'm going to make a makeshift nose, just a simple bulbous nose. Okay, just like that. Now we'll add our eye. Bring it in like that, and we'll add pupils. Now this pupil I'm going to put right here, and this one I'm going to keep pretty low and about here. Now he has a nose, and he's looking pretty mad. All right, so we're going to darken his brow in here so we get the effect that we want. Just like that. Now, just one simple line here, or more. You can do however you like. And another one over here. And you have another angry face. All right, now I could add a line going down here if I want. All right. I don't really have to for this one. And if you want, again, to add a mouth and give him just a little bit more character, we're going to just kind of do something like that. And again, the bottom lip. What do we have? 4 here now? And we're working on all angry looks. This guy might actually make his eyebrows a little bit more fanned out. This would be a good one, looking at it, for, say, maybe an angry owl. Okay. But I really think these would be great on a carving board, all carved out, or even wood burned into the board, to give you an idea. And then you can have them for reference all the time. Okay, so we have 4 angry faces now. Okay, let's see if we can do another one. This will be the last one that we'll do for this video. I don't want to make it too long because we can do these forever. Let's do a line again right in the center. Okay, and from that line, I'm gonna come up like that. I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna come up like that. Now underneath the line is where we'll start our eyes this time. Do a slant, and over here, do another slant. Let's make his eye there. Like so. Let's kind of make his pupils in. We'll color those in. Leave a little white highlight. Kind of sets the eye off a little bit more. Doesn't have to be much. Okay, and let's give him a little bit thicker line on top here. Just some scribble and some black up there. All right, now we'll give him a little bit of a bag, but it's, well, it's a character line really, not a bag. Just like that. Now the thing about this, he doesn't look super angry, but he definitely doesn't look happy. So what we're gonna do is add a mouth to make him angry. So we're gonna draw a line like this. But on the side here, we're gonna come down, make a loop, come back up, and do the same thing on this side. Come down, make a loop, come back up. Now let's make that all blend together by making it a little thicker in the middle and darkening that in. And what we're going to do next is come about 3/4 of the way to this point here and just draw this line down on both sides. Then we can just add little lines like this to insinuate teeth. Now we have a third angry face. If we want to make him a little bit angrier, we can even put some lines here. Okay, so now we have another face. On the bottom, I'm gonna do one line like that, one line like that, and there we have another angry face. Now these are simple faces. We can make them more and more advanced as we go. And again, we're gonna carve these, each and every one, or we're gonna wood burn them or something and put them all on one board in a project. That'll be a video, all right? And we'll have reference for our wood shop or our craft shop or whatever we're going to use them, you know, as reference for. Okay, so that's going to be this video. I don't want to give you too many in one video. It'll just take too long and everybody will be clicking off. But I like to do these a couple times a week. We're going to do them, and we're going to keep going and keep giving you guys more and more characters that you could play with, and we'll cover different noses and we'll cover mouths and whatever you guys like. Give me ideas in the comments. Definitely like and subscribe. Definitely go over to Kevin's Carvings and check out the new projects we're doing there. We're going to be loading a new one soon on that site. And I thank everybody for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.